Hi viewer, welcome back. Once again we will start Donnie's English vocabulary with Urdu meaning. The first word is accountability. Accountability, एहतिसाब. Retaining, बरकरार रखना. Retaining. Crown prince, wali ahad. Crown prince. Undervalued, कम कीमती, कम कदर. Assessment, तशखीस. Assessment. Dignitaries, मुअज़्ज़िज़ीन. Dignitaries. Electoral symbol, इंतखाबी निशान. Electoral symbol. Sentenced, सजा सुनाई. Sentenced. Imprisonment, कैद. Prosecution, कानूनी चाराजोई. Prosecution. Procedure, तरीक़ाकार. Procedure. Cross examining, जरहा करना. गवाह पर जरहा करना. Cross examining. Proceeding, कार्रवाई. Immediately, फौरी तौर पर. Immediately. Courtroom, कमरा अदालत. कमरा अदालत. Thanks for watching. If you are new in my YouTube channel, to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next oncoming interesting and informative videos.